Stock to flow, that's the gray line, right? The gray line, it's this formula. It's based on scarcity. It's basically a thesis that value is based on scarcity. And it says something like Bitcoin is scarcer than gold, so the market cap of Bitcoin should be higher than the market cap of gold. By the way, if you have not read the articles about stock to flow, they're from 2019. That's this area. They're all on my website, planbtc.com. Articles are there, the data is also there, and real-time charts and all. So please take a look. Stock to flow is a fundamental view. It says what Bitcoin should be worth, not what it is worth. So right now it points to a large undervaluation of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really undervalued. Of course, it's very rough. It's very rough because it's only based on one parameter, one variable, the scarcity, and it's really a linear regression. So it's best to use a range. I use the range of 250,000 right now and 1 million. It's even the lower range of 250,000 is, of course, more than 2.5 times the price level that we are right now. So it's still a big jump. And by the way, Bitcoin stock to flow says nothing about the tops or the bottoms. It doesn't say when they are. It doesn't say how high or how low they are. It's just an average over that 4-year period. So the fact that we should be at a market top at an all-time high right now, 1.5 years after the halving, that's merely a historical fact than that it follows from this regression model, this stock to flow model. Also, some people say the model is broken, invalidated, but I guess that's to be seen. It's too early to tell. We can say that in 2028. I remember very well that I published this stock to flow model here at the bottom of the bear market. People said I was crazy. Then we had some pump, but right here people got frustrated and said, well, the model doesn't work, it's broken, it's invalidated, and see, nothing is going on. And then when everybody was about to give up on the model, then it finally pumped towards this predicted model values and Bitcoin values. So I'm seeing the same right now. A lot of people think it's invalidated, they say it's broken, they're frustrated that it's not already at the 500K or at least 250K level. But it's to be seen at 2028. If this straight line here, this growth line, which is almost exponential growth right now for the last couple of years, goes on, it will hit that line in 2027. Anyway, there's also a lot of people that have problems with me talking about prediction. And maybe they're right, prediction has something about a guarantee in it. Of course, there's not. I probably should be better talk about forecasting. That always implies a range forecasting, but forecasting, well, it's not that well understood as prediction. And I don't know what it really is or how you should look at it. Maybe you should look at it as my opinion, if you will. And originally, when I published the article, I was talking about a thesis. The thesis is that scarcity drives value, that value is caused by scarcity, and, well, that's a thesis that's yet to be tested. And as always, all models are wrong, and some are useful. Do your own research, and see you next time.
那么和之前一样，那么我们就是一直在等一个超值大牛市，就是和2017和2021一样的一个超值大牛的。然后存量流量指标就是 STF 存量流量指标，这个指标没有达到预期， 指标是基于稀缺性，就是它比比特币的稀缺性比黄金的价值更具有稀缺性，所以比特币价值大于黄金，个人认为。那么按照这个指标应该是25万美元，但现在是9万美元，那么指标和实际价格有2.5倍，所以一旦达到这个指标，那也是一个超级大涨。另外，这个指标没有具体的数值，没有最高值，也没有最低价格，是世界的一个平均值。那么有些人认为这个指标不准确了，但PLANB认为还有2年时间，要到2028年。曾经在2020年PLANB发表这个指标呢，很多人都不相信，但后面马上就是迎来了一个超级大牛市，2021年的是证明PLANB是对的，所以最后PLANB表示预测市场本来就很难，就是没有人能真正的预测市场，他也不能保证他的预测的准确性。但最重要的是价值，是产品的稀缺性。那每个模型都有正确的，要自己做研究。最后呢，就是要靠最终的价格要靠自己去决定。